Hi guys, welcome back to our channel. Super happy to see everyone here. Guys, for today's episode, we are going to do a Chanel True unboxing. So this just arrived a couple of days ago. So finally, I had time to open this. So I'm sure you have seen the thumbnail, and this is going to be a True Chanel unboxing. But this is a replica bag that was gifted to me by iBag Show. I'm going to link their account in the description box below. So initially, I would be saying no for these kinds of replica bags because everything on my bag collection are all 100% authentic. But when I have seen the photos and the link on their website, honestly guys, I was intrigued what a super fake or a super replica Chanel bag would look like. That's why I said yes. I would want to check it. I would want to see how it would look like. So guys, if you would like to see it as well, just like myself, so this video is going to be for you. Hi guys, Ron here, Suking Budgetarian Fashionista. I publish vlog every Wednesdays and Saturdays about latest news about fashion. I do luxury shopping vlogs, hauls and unboxings. I also do bag reviews and provide styling tips. I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video and follow me on Instagram.com/Ramirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. So this is a true unboxing, guys. I have not seen what's inside the box. I have not taken a peep. Oh wow! Tchadan! Let's do a thumbnail first. Alright, so it comes with this Chanel box. Oh wow! This is the box that it came with. It's actually quite good, to be honest. I have a Chanel box upstairs, but I didn't bring it down. The texture is quite okay. So let us open. 3, 2, 1. Whoops! Okay, sorry guys. Something fell down. So immediately what fell down, so it has the tags like this. It has the tags. Alright. Then this one, you could immediately tell that it's not genuine because as you could see, it has the authenticity card, but as you could see guys, it's, you know, there are lots of rainbow, and that's one major red flag if you are going to purchase a pre-loved Chanel and you are going to see the, you know, the reflection is rainbow. So that is the authenticity card. But the texture, I mean the width of the, it's like the real authenticity card except for that one, for the rainbow reflection. Okay, so, oh, alright. So more cards. I'm going to put the description box below. So it looks like this guys on the inside, as you can see. Can you see? So it has some tissue paper. Alright. So can you guess guys, so it has more, what's this? It has that. So it comes with the dust bag. Oh, okay. So it comes with the ribbon as well. Alright, so nice packaging. So it comes with the ribbon. Alright, I don't have that in, because I have not purchased anything yet from the Chanel boutique, from any of my pre-loved Chanel. So here is the dust bag. It's a drawstring like this. It's like for shoes. What do you think guys? And then the tissue paper, it's different. So it also comes with the sticker of Chanel. Okay, so I'm just expecting guys. So it also comes with this. What's this? Oh, okay. So it comes with the envelope. We're in the legit Chanel. I think this is where you're going to put your receipts, your authenticity card. It also comes with the booklet like this. What's inside? Okay, yeah, looks good. So whenever I'm watching unboxing video, it's inside like this. Alright, so now let us check the bag. So 3, 2, 1. Alright, so let's open again. So here she is guys. put it here first. Here she is. Can you see? Okay, it's packaged nicely. Here she is. Alright, so what they gifted me is a Chanel, what's the name of this one, guys? Sorry, Chanel Coco top handle. Here she is, and aged calfskin leather. Alright, okay, let me remove this one first. So they said that this is 100% genuine leather. So I'm just inspecting, guys. So it also comes with the, so here is the front, guys. So let us inspect together. Here is the front, the side, the back. Are they lining up, guys? Can you see? Yeah. What can you say about the high quality replica bag? So here is the front. So here is the CC logo. As you can see, it still comes with the plastic. Let's try to open. Then here is the handle. So for the handle, it comes with the Chanel logo engraved as well. I'm just checking, you know, what it looks like, guys. So it comes with the felt. It comes with the shoulder strap. Okay. Oh, wow. So here is what the inside looks like. So here is the inside, guys. So guys, again, I'm not an expert yet in authenticating a Chanel bag, but I'm just looking closely for signs of what, aside, because what I've seen so far, the authenticity card is a dead giveaway that this is a replica bag. Good smell. Wait a minute, guys. I'm still inspecting. Here is the logo inside, guys. Can you see? So I'm not seeing the hologram sticker, but that is okay. Let me check the shoulder strap. Okay, so this is how it looks like, guys. Wanted to see. So for those who have the Coco top handle bag, guys, I would love to hear from you. How is the replica bag doing so far? Could you please comment down below, guys, and please share your expert opinion on this bag. So here she is again. For the smell, she has a different smell. It's not really chemically or anything. Oh, there. I've seen now the... Sorry, guys. I've seen now the hologram sticker. Ooh, it's hard to pull out. Maybe I'll just go in to take a photo. But it's here, located here. There is like a fabric tab, and then the hologram sticker is inside. Alright, so this is the bag. So guys, let us take a closer look. I'm going to put her on Zoom so everyone can check it out as well. Hi guys, so I actually brought down my latest original and authentic Chanel bag here for just a little bit of comparison. So again, this will not be an apples to apples, but since I'm not an expert, I would just like to take cues from this authentic Chanel bag and compare to the... Sorry guys, I have hiccups on my high replica bag here. So what I have noticed instantly when I have opened this bag, number one, the leather. Yes, it's genuine leather, but I don't feel that it's very luxurious. And if you are going to notice, guys, this is an aged calfskin, but this one, the lines over here, it doesn't feel really natural to me. I feel that, sorry guys, I feel that, you know, it's like really unnatural looking. And then what, for me, this is not like, again, this is just my opinion on this one, but what is also catching my attention would be the hardwares. So as you are going to notice here, can you see guys? So if for example we are going to put it here, this space here is like, I'm not totally convinced that it's like a good replica Chanel. Or maybe I'm going again to post a photo here of a replica CC logo of this kind of bag, because if we are going to compare them side by side here, so as you are going to notice, this is the vintage Chanel bag, but as you are going to notice, the make of this one is super elegant and it looks really luxurious, right? So I'm not seeing any spaces between the two Chanels, the two CCs over here, compared to this one where I am seeing like there is a huge gap between the interlocking of the C's. Also, what I have noticed would be the engraving of this one. It's not as clean there. So guys, again, comment down below if the engraving on the authentic Coco top handle is like this or much more cleaner. So again, I'm going to take a photo and put here for a side-by-side comparison. So here is the front again, side, the back. So with the alignment of the quilting, I guess they were able to do a good job on that one, as you could see. Also here, and then here is the bottom part. So they have actually put, you know, masking tape to protect it, and also with the other hardware. So let me just remove this. And then the hardware here looks like this. The inside again. Then here is the zipper pull. There, and then again the logo. What do you think, guys? Please comment down below. Again, I need your help. What do you think of this high replica bag? But again, guys, in my opinion, comparing it to my beautiful vintage authentic bag, the leather of this one is lambskin. It feels much more luxurious comparing it to this one. This one is lighter compared to this one. This is a little bit, you know, a little bit heavier. So there. So what do you think, guys, of this Chanel bag that was gifted to me? Alright, so guys, I'm inviting you to please join our ever-growing fam. There's a cute little icon here, so please click on that one so you can easily subscribe and be a member of our growing luxury addicted family. Please like and share this video. Also, please do follow me on Instagram.com/Amirify so you can get daily updates and styling tips coming from me. A million thank yous for staying with me in this episode for today, guys. I'm going to leave a couple of videos here for you to check out. Please do stay safe. I'm going to see everyone soon. Bye!